Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce childcare costs with care.com step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the care.com website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your profile information, including your location and childcare needs. Browse through the different childcare options available in your area. Refine your search according to your specific requirements, such as age range and services needed. Compare profiles of caregivers based on their experience and reviews. Utilize the filtering options to focus on budget-friendly caregivers. Reach out to potential caregivers through the platform for initial inquiries. Discuss your childcare requirements and ask about their rates. Negotiate prices if possible, and explore potential discounts for long-term contracts. Consider setting up a trial period to assess compatibility. Look into group care options or nanny shares to further reduce costs. Keep track of your spending and budget for childcare expenses. Review and adjust your childcare preferences as needed. Utilize care.com's resources and articles for tips on saving money on childcare. Regularly check for new caregivers who may have lower rates. Stay engaged with your chosen caregiver to ensure a good fit and satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.